Escape the daycare that way. Yes, and we will be playing Escape the daycare. Joe is already ahead of us. Let's get out of the crib, it says. Okay, so we gotta jump up on these blocks. Where are we supposed? Oh, we gotta jump on the railing. Guys, wait for me. Guys, wait for me. Guys, wait for me. Oh yeah, I am Joe today. Joe, wait for us. We're at the beginning still. Wait for us, please. Oh. Ah! It pushed me almost like. Ah! Formula. Shh. Okay, hold on. No, wait! Guys, stop! Wait for me! Wait for me! Wait for me! Wait for me! Okay, guys, we gotta jump over here, it looks like. And we're gonna jump over there, it looks like. We're gonna jump on the bottles, and then we're gonna jump right here. And we gotta jump. Oh! What the heck? That happened. Oh. Okay, so let's do this again. So we're gonna jump over here, jump here. Okay, yeah, we just jumped down here. Just jump like that. Stage 2! Alright, we gotta jump over crayons. Guys, wait for me! Joe, wait for us! Wait for us! Quick, up this way, it says. Ah, so sorry. Okay, we did it. You didn't wait for us. Fine. You should be nice, guys. Okay, nobody cares. I'm just joking. Ah! Hold on, guys. Stop, Bub. We call him Bub. Hold on! Okay, we're here. Stage 4. Shh. Jump planes. Okay, let's... Okay. Oh, we did it, guys! Where do we go now? Where do we go? Right here? No, I think we go in here. I think we want... Okay, that is not... Oh. Oh. Well, that's not how we do it. Jump here. Jump here. Jump! Whatever way that was supposed to be. Guys, wait for me! Ah, it's so hard. Okay, we're gonna jump up here. Okay, let's be careful right here. This was pretty hard, yeah. Oh, the spacebar didn't work. There. Works. Stop, guys! Stop fighting! Okay, guys, let's go over here on the plane. Yeet! We did it, guys! Okay, let's jump on the bottle. Stop! Okay, let's jump here. We're going on the crayon. Okay, let's get on the stage 5. They're showing him, the random him. I'm gonna go this way. I think it's this way. It's kind of sus. Joe, did you find it? Yeah. Joe found it. Let's go. We're not by you, Joe. Stop. I found it. Stop! Maybe it's this way. Bub. No. That was going in circles. Okay, let's go over here. Here. Oh, I found a laser. I definitely found it. 2 more lasers. No, 3 more. Okay, I found it. We did it, guys. Okay, click this. It says the baby is attacking us. Quick, run for it. Oh my gosh. Looks like we're his present. Oh wait, we're in his toy box, right? We're in his toy box. He's located in his toy box. Guys, we gotta get out of here. He's gonna eat us alive. Okay, we jump on the ground. Jump on the block! Okay, let's exit the door. Okay, we did it. I'm on stage 7. I definitely didn't. Guys, sorry. Guys, stop yelling. Stop talking. Okay, guys, let's jump on the pacifiers. Oh gosh, this is so hard for me. I actually think I've played this before. It's really hard. This is so hard. Okay, let's carefully jump over here. Okay, we done. Make sure to not wake the baby up, it says. We're gonna climb this rope. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, I woke him up. I woke him up. Wait, he's still sleeping. Okay, I guess I didn't wake him up. Maybe if you land on him, you wake him up. Okay, we did it. Okay, let's jump here. Jump here. Here. Oh, we go through the thing. Okay. That was easier. What's that? I don't know. Okay, guys, let's go over here down the line. Ooh. Let's go through the door. Ooh, burger. Oh, no. This kiwi stuff looks icky. Ew, does that thing have, like... Stop! Does it shut up? That thing had... The sandwich had, like, worms in it. Where's mouth? Ew, we got teeth. It's missing teeth. We've been eaten. I think I meant eat. Yeah, I meant they. I think they meant. Yeah. Okay, let's get up here. Okay, let's go in here. Stage 12. We did it, guys. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Water break. Joe in the background. She's very annoyed. I try not to laugh. She heard me. Oh my lord. Okay. Stage 13. Okay, let's go. That's not my fault. She said, Rosie, I'm gonna kill you. I mean, ew, where is poop? I don't want to touch the turd. Fine. I'll touch the turd. Don't touch the turd. Watch out for the loose boards. Oh gosh. Okay, so maybe it's okay. That one looks sturdy. Which one? Oh. Okay, well, that was poopy. Let's see if we can get this one. Nope, not that one. It's one of these two. Stop! We don't want to leave. Maybe we should go for this one. Oh, it's this one. Okay, let's go through the door. Stage 17. Oh, I hate checkerboards. Okay. Oh god, I went the wrong way. It's Rosie, for sure. Thanks. Okay, guys, let's go through here. Oh, maybe we just gotta teleport. She is. And King Tut is my brother. And then we got Bubbles and Linny Minnie. We escaped! Yay! We did it. What's this? Oh wow, this is cool. Stop being mad, jealous. It just smacked me. The heck? Guys, I'm at the toy box. I made a path if you need it. I made a path if you need it. What? No, she's not. Oh my gosh. Don't listen to them, guys. But, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We made it to the end of the hobby, and make sure to subscribe, press the like button, and join the Rosie Squad today by using star code Rosie. Or use code Rosie to help me out, guys. I appreciate it. And turn on notifications if you want to see more. Well, my roses, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!